Oh yeah, there's definitely something on here. Nice and slow. What do we got? Come on. I don't like how much it's bending the rod, eh?
Oh, rail.
Don't come off. What is it? It is...
Flatties.
There's two.
Flatties.
3, 4. What the fuck? Oh my god. They're all tiny too.
Yeah, you must have cruised over catching them, eh?
Fuck!
That's so good. That's hang on.
Oh, it just came off.
Ah, that's so good.
Can the rest of them come off? You don't have a de-hooker, do you? Whew. Go the Sabiki, dude.
Isn't it?
Another flathead. Oh, feels heavy, huh? Ooh.
It's a flathead.
Could be careful because this is all like a light gear, light line, light. Definitely fighting better. Uh-oh. Don't tell me it's another string of 4.
That'd be really cool.
Just nice and slow. Don't want to break anything. Surely it's a flathead. Come on.
A bit of flex in that rod, mate.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's a light rod. Oh geez, what is this?
Oh no, it's
It's-
oh, it's hang on, let's get a photo.
Oh my god! There's 5. There's literally 5. There's literally 5.
Oh, mine on as well.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Sorry. Oh my god, it's gonna spike me. There's literally 1 per hook. That's awesome. Oh man, now I gotta deal with them.
Yeah, good luck.
Thanks. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, alright.
You can just see them all floating. Killing them.
No, they're alive.
Oh.